In this video, we are going to construct a kite ABCD where AB is equal to AD is equal to 4.5 centimeters, angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 130 degree. We know that in a kite, one pair of opposite angles are equal. Using this property, we will be constructing the kite. So let us first draw a rough figure. This is a kite A, B, C, D. AB is equal to AD is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to 130 degree. Angle D is opposite to angle B. So this angle will also be equal to 130 degree. Let's start construction of the kite. Let us first draw AB equal to 4.5 centimeters. Label it AB 4.5 centimeters. Now angle A is equal to 60 degree. So we'll construct 60 degree angle with the help of compass. So open your compass with a convenient radius and draw an arc with the center A which touches the line AB at a point, and from this point draw an arc cutting the previously drawn arc. Draw a ray from A passing through this point of intersection. So angle BAX is 60 degree angle. Now AD is equal to 4.5 centimeters. So with A as center and radius equal to 4.5 centimeters, cut the ray AX to get vertex D. Now we'll draw angle B equal to 130 degree with the help of protractor. Now you can see there are two scales on this protractor. The zero of the scale which coincides with the line AB, we'll consider that scale and draw the angle. So here we'll be using inner scale to measure 130 degree angle. So angle ABY is equal to 130 degree angle. Now we'll place a protractor at point D. Here we can see that the outer scale, zero of the outer scale coincides with AD. So we'll measure this angle equal to 130 degree with the help of outer scale. So angle ADZ is equal to 130 degrees. And here ray DZ intersects ray BY at point C. Write the measurements of all the angles. Angle B is equal to 130 degree, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle D is equal to 130 degree. Hence, ABCD is the required quadrilateral, that is a kite.